Yes, so hi everyone and a warm welcome to our channel. I hope you are doing well. Studies and preparations are going on. Extremely happy to share the details of our upcoming live 100% live practice batch for CA final indirect tax January 26 attempt. Now before going with the details, first and foremost, I had made a promise to all my dear students from South that we are going to be launching a 100% live batch as well. So yes, this batch is going to be available in both the languages, the 100% English that will run in the morning and the normal Hindi English mix that will run in the evening. Both are going to be live exclusively for Jan 26 attempt. Now before going with the details, I know you have a lot of queries that whether this batch is suitable for us or not, what can we expect out of it, exactly हमें इसमें से क्या मिलने वाला है. All those things I will discuss in this particular video. Just give me 8 minutes of your time, okay? And if you feel that okay, this is something I can work with, this is something that is beneficial for me, you can register, right? So just give me 8 minutes, invest 8 minutes. It is going to be super important, can really change your situation for IDT. Now these are just some of the feedbacks that I had received, and if you see, I'm not showing you the feedback from the point of view that देखो इनको अच्छा लगा so you should also be registering. No, I'm just telling you what were the points that we focus in the batch that the students also felt. Each topic comes with a quick review of all the important concepts, which was really helpful. So क्या हम concepts cover करेंगे? I will discuss. Custom questions which were a test of application of tricky concepts, that was the biggest value add. So basically you lack in the question answer practice that we are going to focus upon in the batch. Confidence, that is one of the points that I know it will give you. Next, another student said solving questions on my own felt tiring and repetitive. Small but important points I used to overlook. This is one of the major problems that happens in the paper like IDT. It seems like very okay, the volume is not very much, but in the questions and in the interlinking and in the MCQs, these problems cost you the marks, okay? Apart from that, the structured thinking that is required, silly mistakes that you need to avoid, and clarity and confidence with each session. These are exactly the points I'm going to achieve, and let's discuss कि हम इसको कैसे achieve करने वाले हैं. So guys, understand, is this batch for first timers? Many people ask that, sir, I'm a first timer, I'm going to do IDT for the first time, is it suitable for me? Answer is plain no. If you are a complete clean slate for the IDT, this batch is not for you. ये किन के लिए है? If you have done the classes but you are not confident, or you feel there is a lack of Q&A practice and interlinking that may have that may lead to some form of underconfidence, or maybe a lot of students might be registering after the results that they know that you are getting stuck at that 45-50 level, 50-55 level. IDT 70 plus 75 plus is very easy, it is doable, and it is required because it is that subject जो आपका एग्रीगेट उठाता है. ओके, सो दीज आर द इश्यूज दैट स्टूडेंट्स फेस, एंड बार बार यू कैन नॉट डू द कंसेप्ट्स अगेन. If you have done the concepts earlier या आपकी क्लास पहले हो चुकी है, then you should not be investing your time and money again for the concepts. Then your focus should be on the Q&A solving, interlinking, and application of the concepts. That is the entire focus of this particular batch. If you are a completely clean slate for IDT and if you are looking to start a new batch, then we are coming up with our live guidance batch, that is the fast track batch. It is basically the recorded one only that we are in the process of completing in next 12 to 14 days. But I will be there every Sunday to interact, to guide you, to clear the queries. So that is basically the recorded class, but with the the discipline of a live. So that I will discuss later in a separate video. This particular batch is focused for these kind of issues, and these are the focus areas. Important Q&A. So out of the question bank, once you register, we will dispatch you the question bank. Concepts book you have to retain whatever you are using for your own study, right? That is okay. Important question answers I will be picking. Almost 80-85% questions are done out of the question bank in the class, plus along with that linked concepts. So guys, understand, question answer ऐसा नहीं होगा that I will just discuss the conclusion and we will move ahead. Related concepts will be covered, related concepts will be discussed. So along with that, वो वाला concept का जो application है वो मैं discuss करूंगा when I am covering that particular question with you. Apart from that, for every chapter I form new MCQs that we will be doing in the class. So you can easily expect 8 to 15 MCQs for every chapter. So after the coverage of the main questions, you will be solving these new MCQs, and these are super conceptual. So we will be picking small points that will help you to understand whether you have done the concept properly or not. And again, untested areas will be targeted, maybe some new questions, maybe those areas where I feel that okay, there is not a lot of questions being asked in the exam yet, but can be asked, so I may form a new question for that. Apart from this, after a chapter is done, let's say for example supply chapter is done, the questions are done, what I will do, I will invest 20-25 minutes and I will give you a quick overview of the chapter. Every chapter has certain important concepts. हर एक चैप्टर का एक हीरो कंसेप्ट रहता है, एक या दो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कंसेप्ट्स आर देयर, तो आई विल क्विकली टच अपॉन दैट कंसेप्ट. So after that 1.5 hours or 2 hours of session for one particular chapter, you will feel a lot of understanding level has increased because वो self study में रह जाती है. और मे बी योर क्लासेस आपकी नहीं हुई है, यू हैव नॉट डन द क्लासेस वेल, या आपके कोई पुराने क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की प्रैक्टिस नहीं हुई है, या फिर जेन्युइनली बताता हूँ some students have this problem कि रिजल्ट्स हो गया है, बहुत बड़ी खुद से पढ़ाई हो गई है, now you need a new approach, you need a new way of studying. So there this batch comes as a help, right? Apart from that, sir, approx how many hours we invest? Approx 45 to 50 hours. Last time it was around, I think 45 hours that we invested, but this time it will be around 50-52 hours. 20 to 22 days. Sundays also we hold sessions, but we adjust. थोड़ा बहुत आगे पीछे हो जाता है on Sunday. So this is going to be starting from 10th of November, right? And this will run till 30th of November. My target is to give you the December month for your study. आप इसको यू डोंट कंसिडर दिस एज अ नॉर्मल बैच, ओके? दिस इज गोइंग टू बी जस्ट यू एंड मी सॉल्विंग द क्वेश्चंस टुगेदर इन द कंप्लीट 2 hour sessions, right? So Hindi English is going to be the evening time 7 to 9:15 9:20, and 100% English is going to be in the morning time 7:30 a.m. to approx 9:15 9:20 a.m. right? Now these are all the details from my side. Now what I am the important part is, right now the pre-booking offer is open. This is the same price that we had offered the last time, so you can avail at this particular price. You will be getting a question bank hard copy as well, and this is till 31st of October, okay? So if interested, these are all the details from my side. I'm not making any false claims that मैं आपको सारे concept करा दूंगा, नहीं होगा. 50 hours में it is not possible. So generally what happens is you do your self study of the concepts, or you use my revision videos, and then you focus on the questions in the class. So एक structure way में, एक थोड़ा strict manner में आपका IDT cover हो जाता है in the span of 20-25 days. And this is not merely a revision, this is proper study. But yes, concepts आपके side से, questions मेरे side से. That is the way we work. Okay, now I have the feedback, I know what I'm going to deliver, everything is planned out properly. From 10th November we are starting. If you feel that this is something that I can work with, this is something that is required for me, then you can register. Otherwise then आपको you have to decide that आपको time invest कैसे करना है, because at the end it's your career and it's your exam. Apart from this, if you have any query, if you want to ask me anything, then this is my number. You can connect with me on this particular number, and if there is any query, you can ask me, and I won't be convincing you to join the batch. I will tell you all the details very honestly that this is what you can expect, okay? So get in touch with me if you want to talk about anything. And yes, the registration link is obviously on the BB Virtuals website. It is available in the description of this particular video. So let's meet from 10th of November. If interested, I would love to see you, and proper तरीके से we will cover the things. Focus will be on the question answers and solving, right? And yes, ITC के लिए also format based solving, 3-4 questions we pick. So focus will be on complete solving. ठीक है? And will there be any kind of a mock test? Yes, we have one mock test also that will be checked by the team of rankers, and we will give you the proper feedback. So that is also there. Zoom sessions are obviously a part of the batch. We interact apart from the the classes software also. And this is all from my side. So I took exactly 9 minutes of your time. I hope this was useful. See you hopefully from 10th of November. Bye bye. Take care.